Have you heard of making bouquets with just 3 main ingredients? Yes, you definitely can make bouquets like this, and it can really streamline your growing as well as make it easier for you to make beautiful bouquets. This would be typical of bouquets that we would be making on demand on the flower market in Belgium and in Holland, where a customer will commonly come up and select several bunches of flowers that they want us to assemble together. So today I'm going to show you what some of these bouquets might look like. But first I've got to get in my fields and harvest some flowers. All right, now let's turn these buckets of flowers into some fun bouquets. Bouquet number 1 has 10 stems of red Cornell dahlias, 10 blue statice, and 10 yellow marigolds. The typical greenery that would be used is salal. I don't have salal, so I'm using laurel, which is a similar color and gloss. With a domed shape and cut shorter for a coffee table, this is a typical type of bouquet that you would see in the shops in Holland. Okay, this is kind of fun. I feel like I'm on a speed bouquet making contest or something. Alright, bouquet number 2. This time it's 5 stems of pink Filson's Pride dahlias, 10 sedums, and 10 clean lime zinnias. Number 2. I can just picture this one going home in the front basket of someone's bicycle. Okay, last one is the lovely Blush Snow Hosanna dahlia. I've got 10 of these. I've got 10 Cosmos and 10 Purple Status. was fun sharing a little bit about my time working in Holland, which was years ago now. Hopefully this gave you some fresh ideas and some new inspiration.